This week, I want to start with a bold claim. This lecture is probably the most important lecture you'll watch this semester, especially if this is your first experience of coding. We're going to be talking about problem solving in code. You see, the thing is, even if you memorize every function in the P5.js library, even if you know the syntax of JavaScript perfectly, you will run into problems in your code. And at that point, when the train comes crashing off the rails and nothing's working, how do you proceed? How do you solve the problem? In this lecture, I'm going to give you a series of easy to apply tips that will help you with your problem solving approaches and increase your overall confidence as a creative coder. First, some announcements. Next week is mid-semester break, and I hope you're able to take some well-deserved rest. But remember that assignment 1 is due on Friday of week 6, which is the first week back after mid-semester. There are unlimited attempts, so my advice is to upload early and upload often. Also, check the assignment marking sheet for tips. Finally, as I announced via Canvas last week, we now have a Discord server set up. Use the link shown here rather than the one that I sent originally, because I think that one's expired. I'll also send this new one out in this week's announcement. So here are the 8 strategies I'll cover for solving problems in your code. First one is tidy your code. Second one, follow a style guide. Number 3 is analyze the error. Number 4, explain it to someone. Number 5 is log it to the console. Number 6, use on-canvas debugging, and you can see this week's examples for a worked example of that. And number 7 is use the developer console. Finally, number 8 is access the online forums. And on that last note, if you have any problems or bugs with your code, feel free to post it on the discussion board on Canvas or on the Coding Issues channel on Discord. I'll be watching over the next couple of weeks to stay on top of any issues that crop up as you work towards the first assignments. Otherwise, talk to your tutor in class and make sure you keep coming to class so you can access your tutor's amazing expertise. Okay, after the break, the first tip is going to be how to tidy your code. I'll see you then.